Jai Sanskar. Till the time we have seen how Hyderabad, Junagadh, Kashmir, Portuguese colonies as well as French colonies merged into United India. Now the formation and reorganization of Indian states, because there were 559 princely states, it was not able to make that many states. Okay, so that is why there was another difficult task, was formation of or reorganization of state. India became independent and acquired information about unification of princely state. Instead of accepting unitary system, we had accepted union system of governance. Therefore, issue of formation and reorganization of constituent of union occurred. The erstwhile British provinces and princely state were divided into 4 divisions after unification and merger. So, after unification and merger, it was not possible for us to directly have so many states. So, what have done? Broadly, there was a 4 different classes on that the states were distributed. Classification of states: Class A, Mumbai, Assam, Andhra, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madras, Orissa, West Bengal. Classification of state: Class B, Jammu Kashmir, Hyderabad, Mysore, Central India, Rajasthan, Saurashtra, Travancore, Cochin and Pepsu, which is Patiala, East Punjab State of Union. Classification of state: Class C, Ajmer, Bhopal, Kurg, Delhi, Bilaspur, Kutch, Himachal Pradesh, Tripura, Manipur and Vindhya Pradesh. Classification of states: Class D, Andaman and Nicobar Island were included. Interestingly, states included in all 4 classes did not have equal states. However, they were inseparable part of India. In this way, when Constitution of India came into force, India was a union of this state. However, this proved to be temporary arrangement. Thereafter, a new demand of reorganization of state on linguistic basis started becoming strong. In 1953, Jawaharlal Nehru considered the issue of reorganization of state and appointed State Reorganization Commission. Retired Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India, Justice Faisal Ali, was appointed as a chairman. The other 2 members of the commission were Mr. Haridayal Nath Kunjru and Mr. K. M. Panikar. This commission asked all the states to submit its recommendation through various public opinion, views, through postal interaction. Above all, bilingual Mumbai state was formed, in which Maharashtra, Gujarat and Saurashtra were included, and Mumbai was made capital of this state. Finally, a bill making change in constitution and reorganizing state was passed and implemented in 1956. After independence, it was so difficult to make all the states on the basis of language and all, but there was a broadly classification of 4 classes. In random states were part of it. Okay, but after 1953, Jawaharlal Nehru realized that there is a requirement on the basis of language. People want their work to be done. So that is why there was a strong determination or strong requirement of people to have a different state. And then after Faisal Ali, he was a retired judge, Panikar, etc. People have helped and they formed state on the basis of languages, etc. Before that, about 1964 or 63, Gujarat and Maharashtra separated. Before that, Gujarat and Maharashtra were considered as a Maharashtra itself, and capital was Mumbai. All classification of class state as a class A, B, C, D was dissolved. Amendments were made in the first appendix of Indian Constitution in a place of earlier classification. 2 parts were formed. comprising of constituent state and union territory. The 14th state included Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Mumbai, Jammu, Kashmir, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Madras, Mysore, Orissa, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, while union territories include Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, Manipur, Tripura, Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep. Finally, central government made two separate states, Maharashtra and Gujarat, on 1st May 1960. On 25th May 1960, recognition of Maharashtra was as a state made of its capital, Mumbai. 1st May 1960 is considered as a foundation day of Gujarat. It includes the region of Saurashtra and Kutch. So that was my mistake, but in 1960 it was decided that Gujarat and Maharashtra separate. So that is a day, Gujarat Maharashtra Din. It is celebrated in Gujarat, also in Maharashtra. Because Gujarat was founded on that particular day, so let's just say it is celebrated in Gujarat. Fine, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Nagaland were recognized as the land of seven sisters. There was always continuous demand for formation of separate small state from bigger state. In year 2000, Jharkhand, capital Ranchi, was separated from Bihar. Chhattisgarh, capital Raipur, was separated from Madhya Pradesh. Uttarakhand, capital Dehradun, was separated from Uttar Pradesh and were recognized as a states. In 2014, Telangana was organized as a separate state from Andhra Pradesh. Even today, the demand for various separate states has been going on, at least one being Vidarbha region of Maharashtra. Vidarbha region of Maharashtra, they also want to have their own different state. Basically, requirement is occur on the basis of language, or it is on the basis of distribution of asset. If one part of particular state is not developing, in that case there is a huge demand, or there is a very strong urge for getting a separate state is emerging. Currently, the Indian Union consists of 29 states: Assam, Bihar, Goa, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Karnataka, Kerala, Jammu Kashmir, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Rajasthan, Odisha, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, Tripura, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Delhi, Jharkhand, 6 union territories, Chandigarh, Pondicherry, Lakshadweep, Daman, Diu, Dadra Nagar Haveli, and one national capital, Delhi. So there is also all the states which are given to you and also their capital. Just try to recall this. This would be helpful to you in your 10th standard also, where you were supposed to write this name of a state or mark the boundary of it. So learn to make this particular map. Nowadays you have vacation, so you can easily learn this one. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.